हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। क्लास 10 फिजिक्स के सिलेबस में हमने स्टार्ट किया था लाइट, रिफ्रैक्शन एंड रिफ्लेक्शन। हमने इसमें से आपका रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट स्टार्ट किए थे। उसमें हम लोगों ने स्पेरिकल मिरर स्टार्ट किया है। स्पेरिकल मिरर में हम आपका पढ़ा रहे थे इस समय रूल्स ऑब्टेनिंग बाय कॉनकेव मिरर एंड कॉन्वेक्स मिरर। हमने इस केस में 4 रूल्स पढ़ाए। व्हेन रेज ऑफ लाइट पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन पासेस थ्रू द फोकस, फर्स्ट रूल था। सेकेंड रूल, व्हेन रेज ऑफ लाइट पासेस थ्रू द फोकस आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस। थर्ड, व्हेन रेज ऑफ लाइट पासेस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन passes through same path. And last point, when rays of light incident at the pole, then after reflection the reflected rays make the same angle. How many angle of incidence formed with principal axis? Same angle formed with reflected rays with the principal angle. These 4 laws already we have studied. In this video today I am going to discuss formation of image formed by concave mirror. Formation of image, formation of image by concave mirror. Concave mirror. Concave mirror. In this case, 6 points are there. We study the formation of image by concave mirror under 6 points. First point is there. You see here, when object lies at infinity. You see in this case what is the characteristics of image formed by concave mirror. This is concave mirror. Principal axis, pole, center of curvature, focus. Here I said when object lies in infinity, then when object lies in infinity, the rays of light parallel to principal axis. Like so. All of you know that when rays of light parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through the focus. This is reflected rays. What is the characteristics of image? You say in this case, first, the reflected rays actual meet on principal axis, then real. Second, if real, then inverted. Third, highly diminished. And last point, fourth, at focus. These 4 characteristics of image when object lies, image formed by concave mirror when object lies at infinity. Second case, you see here, when object lies beyond center of curvature. You see in this case what is the red diagram of the image formation. This is concave mirror, principal axis, center of curvature, focus of spherical mirror. Object lies beyond the center of curvature. This situation will come beyond the center of curvature. Then two ridge diagram here also I will represent. One parallel to principal axis. All of you know that ray of light passes through the focus, and one rays I will represent which one passes through the focus. Then all of you know that these rays of light parallel to principal axis. After reflection, parallel to principal axis. In the examination, all of you keep in your mind which one arrow here I make. That arrow also you represent. Otherwise, half mark you deducted. If you not arrow represent, you not written pole, focus and center of curvature. Then half mark also deducted here in rays diagram. Half mark only given on the representation of pole, focus and center of curvature, and arrow which one incident rays and which one reflected rays. You see in this case, here image are these reflected rays are intersect to each other at that points. Actually reflected rays are intersect to each other at that points. Then what is the characteristics of image? First real, second inverted, third diminished. देख लीजिए अभी भी यह ऑब्जेक्ट से छोटा ही है, ऑब्जेक्ट से बड़ा नहीं है, डिमिनिश्ड. फोर्थ बिटवीन C and F means center of curvature and focus. Which one image are formed between center of curvature and focus. Third point, when object lies at center of curvature, center of curvature means C. In this case, all of you see here rays diagram, how image are formed in this situation. This is principal axis, this is center of curvature, this is focus of spherical mirror. When object lies at center of curvature, this situation, then two rays always I am taken here, incident rays, one parallel to principal axis. All of you know that after reflection passes through the focus, and one rays I will represent which one passes through the focus of spherical mirror. Then all of you know that rays of light after reflection parallel to principal axis. These two rays of light, reflected rays of light, intersect at that point. You see, this is image are formed. Here I will write C. What is the characteristics of image in this situation? First, real. Second, inverted. Third, same size. Fourth, at center of curvature. This is fourth characteristics of image formed by concave mirror when object lies at center of curvature. Okay then, fourth point I will write here. One revision already in live class discussed, but few students complaining, sir, your voice is not coming and your video is paused. That's why this video I am making. For those students which were not able to listen or which were not able to see, for that students, and one more times you revise, and that's one complete in your copy also. Fourth point, when object lies between center of curvature C and AF, center of curvature and focus. C means center of curvature, F means focus. You see how image are formed in this situation. This is spherical concave spherical mirror. Principal axis, pole, center of curvature, focus. In this situation, I said I will keep the object at between the center of curvature and focus. You see, in this situation also two rays diagram I will represent here. One passes parallel to principal axis. All of you know that after reflection passes through the focus. In this case, and one rays diagram I will represent here, which one passes through the focus of spherical mirror. You see here, after reflection, that is sorry, this is, and that is center of curvature. You see here, which one image are formed, what is characteristics of that image. Actually you see here, slight more distance here beyond the center of curvature image are formed, but which one scale I am using, that is not a artificial, that's why slight in rays diagram here, but which one concept, that's one here I represent. You see here, what is the characteristics of image? All of you know that reflected rays are actual made, then real. When real, then you write second inverted. Inverted. After this, magnified. Magnified. And fourth, beyond center of curvature. Beyond center of curvature. Curvature. Fifth point, when object lies at center of curvature. Fifth point, when object lies at center of, at focus. At focus. AF. In fifth situation, when object lies at focus. You see in this case, what is the characteristics of image formed by concave mirror, and how, what is the rays diagram in this situation. This is concave spherical mirror. This is principal axis, center of curvature, focus of spherical mirror. Now I will keep the object at the focus of spherical mirror. You see this situation. One rays I will show parallel to principal axis. All of you know that after reflection passes through the focus. After reflection passes through the focus. And one rays I will show here passes through the center of curvature. Passes through the center of curvature, like so. You see in this situation what's happened, the rays of light parallel to each other. The one student arises, sir, when we proceed back, then when you proceed back, then parallel line in front of mirror you proceed or behind the mirror you proceed, but parallel line never intersect to each other. Never intersect to each other. Then in this situation we write one points where made this. All of you know that parallel line never intersect to each other. But here one points here, right? Their points meet at the infinity. Infinity, you know that imagination points, that is not a accurate points. Then here we will write real, second inverted, third at infinity, fourth highly magnified, Last point in this situation, 6. When object lies between focus and pole. You see in this case, what is the ray diagram of image formation? This is concave spherical mirror, principal axis, center of curvature, focus. In this situation, object lies here between focus and pole. Then one rays I will represent here parallel to principal axis. All of you know that after reflection passes through the focus, like so. Second, one rays I will represent here, which one passes through the center of curvature. Then these rays of light after reflection going like this. You will make by using the scale, otherwise you see the reflected rays of light is divergent rays of light. Then in front of mirror, these rays of light does not intersect to each other. That's why we proceed back. Reflected rays of light, we proceed back. Then these rays of lights meet at that points, and here image are formed. All of you know that when reflected rays does not meet actual, then which kind of image are formed? Virtual. First point, virtual. The characteristics of image in this situation: virtual, erect, magnified, beyond mirror. This is characteristics of image. Then conclusion of image formed by concave mirror. If I will ask question, then what is your answer in this situation? If I will ask you conclude the image formed by concave mirror, then what is your answer in this situation? Only one line your answer. The distance between mirror to object decreases, size of image are increases. Only this one. Second, formation of image by convex mirror. In this situation, only 2 points are there. First, when object lies at infinity. In this situation, what is the characteristics of image formed by? You see, this is convex mirror. In convex mirror, outer surface are reflecting surface and inner surface are polished surface. This is principal axis, center of curvature, focus. When object lies at infinity, the rays of light parallel to principal axis in this situation. Then all of you know that after reflection, B appears these rays of light coming from the focus. This one. Characteristics: first, virtual. Second, erect. Third, highly diminished. highly diminished. Fourth, add focus. Second point, when object lies between infinity to pole. Infinity to pole. Infinity to pole. When object lies between infinity to pole. You see here, I represent this one object. One rays of light parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through the focus. Second, one rays of light, here I represented, passes through the center of curvature. Then all of you know that these rays of light return back with the same path. The proceed reflected rays intersect to each other between focus and pole. What is the characteristics of image in this situation? First, virtual. Second, erect. Third, diminished. Fourth, between P and F. Then this is characteristics of image formed by convex mirror. If conclusion I will arise question, what is the conclusion of image formed by convex mirror? Then you can say image formed by convex mirror is always smaller than the size of object. You see in this case, highly diminished. Then which one image formed in this situation? That is always smaller than the size of object. Then this is complete image formation by concave mirror and convex mirror. Few students are saying, sir, I am feel difficulty to listen your voice. That's why this video I made, and today I will send this one. Okay students, next anyone confusion then you tell me, like this I will make video and I will send. Thank you.